So I got a graph here that has the total cost of renting a boat by the hour. The x-axis is the number of hours, and the y-axis is the total cost. So for question number 15, we're going to use the same graph for 15 and 16. So question number 15 says, what does the c-intercept represent in the graph? So what they're saying is, what does this mean? Okay, so cost, that's the total cost in dollars. So let's read through the options. It says it's the initial cost. Well, how many hours have passed, right? T equals 0, so 0 hours have passed. And what is the cost at 0 hours? $5. C equals 5. So when they step on the boat, they have to pay $5. Well, guess what? That's the initial cost. That's that simple. Is it the total number of boats or total number of hours the boat was rented? No. Is it the total number of hours the boat was rented? No. Or it says total number of boats. Was it an increase in cost to rent the boat for each additional hour? No. It was the initial cost of the boat. So remember, I think I've covered this. For those of you that have been in my Geometry and Algebra 1 class, the y-intercept is always the initial, I like to call it the initial condition. Okay, in this case, it's the initial cost.